Hey tech enthusiasts, ever wondered who's behind that mysterious IP address? Let's dive into the world of online IP address lookup and uncover the secrets of the digital landscape. First off, what exactly is an IP address? Think of it as the unique identifier for every device connected to the internet. It's like a digital fingerprint, allowing data to find its way to the right destination. But what can you learn by looking up this string of numbers? Well, an IP address lookup can reveal a lot more than you'd expect. For starters, you can pinpoint the approximate geographical location of the device. It won't give you the exact address. No need to worry about privacy invasions here, but you'll get a general area, like a city or region. So how does one perform an IP address lookup? There are plenty of free tools available online, like IP lookup websites and network utility apps. Just type in the IP address, hit search, and voila. You'll see details such as the Internet Service Provider, ISP, the country, and sometimes even the organization that owns the IP address. But why would you want to look up an IP address? Well, there are several reasons. Maybe you're a network administrator trying to troubleshoot issues or track down unauthorized access. Or perhaps you're just curious about where that suspicious email came from. Knowing more about an IP address can help you understand who you're dealing with online. Another interesting aspect is how IP addresses can help in cybersecurity. By identifying and blocking malicious IP addresses, you can protect your network from potential threats. Many security software programs use IP lookup to maintain blacklists of known bad actors. It's a crucial tool in the fight against cybercrime. But remember, while IP address lookup is powerful, it's not foolproof. VPNs and proxies can mask the true location of an IP address, making it difficult to trace. Always combine IP lookup with other investigative techniques for the best results. So the next time you come across an unfamiliar IP address, don't just shrug it off. Take a few moments to investigate. Who knows what you might uncover? Whether you're troubleshooting, securing your network, or just satisfying your curiosity, IP address lookup is a valuable tool in your tech toolkit. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the digital world, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights.